Hello, my little Indian citizens. Welcome back to your online summary classes. Today, we'll do summary of chapter number 12, National Symbol. Do you know that long years back, India was ruled by the British, but Indian freedom fighters fought with the British and finally we became independent and we got freedom. Because India is a free nation, we have national symbols. And national symbols symbolizes the unity of our country. Every free nation has its national symbols. They symbolizes the unity of a nation. The national flag, the national anthem, the national song and the national emblem are the national symbols and we must respect them. Now let us look into some of the national symbols that represents our country India. Our national flag is known as the tricolor flag because it has three horizontal stripes of equal sizes. The topmost stripe is of saffron color, which stands for sacrifice. The middle stripe is white color and contains a navy blue chakra having 24 spokes, which stands for continuity and progress. The white color stands for peace. The last stripe is green color and it stands for prosperity. Here are certain rules that we must follow while hoisting our national flag. The saffron stripe must always be at the top. Next, the national flag can only be flown from sunrise to sunset. Whenever we hoist a national flag or whenever we lower the national flag, we must always stand in attention position and salute it. A torn flag should never be hoisted, and we should keep the national flag very carefully. Our national anthem is Jana Gana Mana. It was written by Rabindranath Tagore. It is sung at national festivals and other important occasions. When it is being played, we should stand at attention and not talk or move. For the first time, our national anthem was sung in 1911 at the annual session of the Congress. Our national song is Vande Mataram, which was written by Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. For the first time, our national song was sung in 1896 at the annual session of Congress. We can see a national emblem on coins, currency notes, postcards, envelopes, etc. Our national emblem has been taken from Sarnath lion capital of Ashoka. In original, there are 4 lions standing back to back, but in the emblem, we have adopted only 3 lions. There is a wheel under the lion which contains horses, bull, elephant. The word Satyamev Jayate in Devanagari script are written below the national emblem. Now, moving to the easiest section is the national animal of India is tiger, the national bird of India is peacock, the national flower of India is lotus. The banyan tree has been adopted as the national tree of India. Mango is considered as the national fruit of India, and hockey is the national game of India. Now, children, let's start with the textbook's exercises. Let us start with tick the correct answer. The right answers are marked in blue color. Now, let's move to match the following. Now, let's do fill in the blanks. Here too, the correct answers are marked in blue color. Last but not the least, let us do true and false. So I hope you understood this chapter very well. Also remember to please read this chapter and write the question and answers in your notebooks. Also, do all the objectives in your book itself and mark the answers